Do you believe that intelligence and creativity are a fixed entity, or do you believe that with enough effort you could actually improve your intelligence and creativity? Let me know in the comment section below what do you think. Today in this video you are about to find out the two most important mindset that could help to improve your life. People, especially self-help guru, they talk a lot about mindset and they always equate mindset to success. But what does mindset essentially mean? Well, mindset is a cognitive framework that guides our attentions, our information processing, and also our decision making about different aspects in our life. It will also affect our thinking, feeling, and also our behavior. Essentially, what it means is that mindsets affect the way that we react and handle difficult situations in our life by controlling the way that we think and feel about an incident. Carol Dweck, an American psychologist specialized in the motivational study, found that there are two major types of mindset that are used by most of us. First, it's called a fixed mindset. People who apply this kind of mindset often believe that everything about them is fixed, including intelligence, creativity, or any skills that they would be interested to pick up. In other words, they believe in the notion of giftedness, whereby you need to be blessed with a great mind or a great skill in order to do well in life. Therefore, hard work and effort actually mean very little to people who apply this type of mindset. Well, what's the reason behind that? I will let you know later in this video. On the other hand, Dweck also proposed a second type of mindset, which is known as a growth mindset. People with this kind of mindset believe that their intelligence, their creativity, or any other personal attribute are changeable. They believe that as long as they put in enough effort into improving their own craft, then they will become better as the time goes by. Not only that, the way that people with a growth mindset will perceive failure is very different from the way that people with a fixed mindset would perceive it. How can we understand that? By understanding the way that they perceive effort. We all know that whenever we are trying to solve some difficult problems or completing a difficult task, we need to put in extra effort. However, people with a fixed mindset tend to perceive the notion of high effort as a sign of weakness, such as being less competent or less capable. For them, the harder they try to do something, the more stupid they think they are. Therefore, in order to validate this mindset and also to protect their own self-esteem, people with a fixed mindset would normally resort to these few maladaptive patterns. For example, putting less effort or not trying hard enough to complete the task that they are supposed to do. On the other hand, they might also convince themselves that they are just not good at solving this particular problem. On the other hand, people with the growth mindset perceive effort from a totally different light. For them, effort is seen as a tool for them to brush up their skills and also their ability. They also understand that learning only occurs when they are grinding on difficult and challenging tasks. Hence, any form of setback is just a feedback for them to work harder and smarter rather than it being a sign of incompetence. If growth mindset is so beneficial, can we actually attune our brain to acquire such mindset? Well, the answer is yes. In fact, it is easier than we think it is. The act of simply exposing yourself to growth mindset content is strong enough to actually fire up the mindset in your brain. A study was conducted by Blackwell and colleagues back in 2007 on a group of students. The students were given an 8-session course on the growth mindset, which included neuroscientific evidences such as how intelligence can be improved when neurons in our brain are forming new neural connections, and also how by attempting challenging tasks can actually help us to grow more brain cells. Compared to students who did not attend the course, students who attended the course were more likely to adopt a growth mindset. Not only that, teacher also reported that students who attended the course show more effort and more motivations in class. Therefore, you have definitely made the right choice by watching this video. You may also find out more video about this topic in my description box below. Well, to sum it all up, mindset is simply just a system that helps us decide on the way that we will react to a certain situation. And there are two types of mindset, one which is known as a growth mindset and another one is known as a fixed mindset. In order to acquire a growth mindset, you simply just have to expose yourself to more content and information talking about growth mindset. Thank you so much for watching my video, and that's all I have for you guys today. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and also share it out with your friend. Lastly, also remember to subscribe to my channel for more psychology and mental health content. Till then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!